The Maxi Pro Bluetooth listening system from Bellman and Symfon includes a personal sound amplifier and a TV streamer. It is fully digital and features 3 functions in one device: hearing conversations, hearing your TV, and hearing your mobile. Let's look in the box. Here are instruction manuals in multiple languages, a Maxi Pro amplifier, a TV streamer, a power adapter with a US plug, a fiber optic cable, a mini stereo cable with an RCA adapter, charger cables, a belt clip, and a lanyard. To get started, let's talk about the amplifier. As you can see, the amplifier is a good size for your hand to grasp. Each button has only one function, which is easy to understand. This is the power button. You can press it to turn on or off the device. To the right is the microphone button that controls the microphone. The button next to it is the Bluetooth button that controls the Bluetooth function. More on that later. We have the volume buttons right here that can adjust the volume easily. The plus will raise the volume, and the minus will lower the volume. You can see the green LED lights showing the volume levels. Below the volume buttons are the tone controls. If you need more treble, press the up arrow. If more bass is needed, press the down arrow. At the top, there is a yellow charging port for charging the device. On the right side, there is a headphone jack for connecting the hearing accessory. Maxi Pro comes with a pair of headphones or earbuds. Plug it into the headphone port. Then you can listen to the audio from the device. If you have a hearing aid equipped with telecoil function, you can use our neck loop to connect the amplifier to stream the audio to your hearing aid and further boost its performance. The TV streamer included in the package is already paired to the amplifier. It needs to be plugged into an outlet for it to work. Once the power supply is connected, it is automatically on. It connects with the TV and sends the audio wirelessly to the amplifier via Bluetooth. There are 3 ways to connect it to the television. Please only use one connection at a time. First is our recommended connection with the fiber optic cable. Make sure you take off both clear covers on both ends before plugging in. On the back of the TV streamer, there is an optical port. Plug one end here. Then plug the other end into the TV's optical port. If your television does not have an optical port, check if it has an audio out or component out port. If it does, take the mini stereo cable and plug it into the audio port on the back of the streamer. Then take the other end of the mini stereo cable and plug it into the RCA adapter. Next, plug the red and white ends into the audio out port in the back of the television. The last option is connecting to the headphone port. Use the mini stereo cable and plug one end to the back of the streamer, and plug the other end into the headphone port on the television. Please note, the headphone port connection will block the sound from the speaker, which only you with the amplifier can hear the TV. And optical port connection or RCA port connection will allow you to hear the TV from the amplifier while others still hear from the TV speaker. Once the TV streamer is connected to the TV, press the Bluetooth button on the amplifier. Now you can listen to the audio from the TV. The Maxi Pro listening system uses Bluetooth aptX low latency technology, so audio synchronization is optimal with the TV program you are watching. To connect the amplifier to your mobile phone, press and hold the Bluetooth button until it flashes a blue LED light. On your mobile phone, go to Settings and then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on and select Maxi Pro. Now your mobile phone is connected to the amplifier. If you are watching TV and someone calls you, you will hear a ringing sound from the amplifier. Press the Bluetooth button once to answer the call. You can hear the phone call from the amplifier and talk back directly without reaching for your mobile phone. When you are done talking, press the Bluetooth button again to hang up the call and return to your previous listening mode. To reject a call, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. Here is how to switch between the 3 different listening modes. To listen to the conversation around you, press the microphone button. The green LED is on, which means the internal mic is active. To listen to the Bluetooth audio source, press the Bluetooth button. Press the Bluetooth button again to switch the audio between TV and mobile phone. If the blue LED is steady, that means the Bluetooth is connected, but the audio source isn't playing. If the blue LED is blinking, that means the Bluetooth is connected and the audio source is playing. When the battery LED begins to flash red, then that means the battery is low and it needs to be charged. Take the USB charging cable and plug the USB side into the streamer, and plug the yellow side into the yellow charging port on the amplifier. The battery LED will begin to flash green to indicate it's charging. A steady green LED indicates the charging is finished. Lastly, the Maxi Pro listening system comes with a belt clip and a lanyard. To connect the belt clip, find the grooves on both sides of the amplifier. Place the belt clip in the grooves and it will snap in. For the lanyard, feed the string through the hole on the top of the amplifier. And that is the Maxi Pro listening system.